Rimac Automobili has shattered expectations with their electric hypercar, the Nevera, now holding the title for the fastest electric car in the world. This beast of an automobile rocket launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 1.85 seconds, outpacing even the most renowned gas-powered supercars. Pushing the boundaries of technology and engineering, Rimac incorporates 4 electric motors, delivering a combined 1,914 horsepower, ensuring no competition is left in its dust. With a top speed of 258 miles per hour, the Nevera's state-of-the-art battery technology and aerodynamics redefine what's possible in electric vehicles. As the automotive world leans towards a cleaner future, the Rimac Nevera isn't just a stepping stone, it's a quantum leap.